Good morning, Savers. So happy to see your faces this morning. Oh, it's a little misty today. It's supposed to get up to about 50s. This week is supposed to rise up in 50s and highs into the 60s, I think, on Friday. So spring may be here, but Tanya always warns me, don't think. It doesn't happen until May. Always interesting. But had a great day skiing yesterday. We were contemplating not going up, and the snow was great. It was sunny and just a beautiful day to be outside. So Vex King book, Good Vibes, Good Life, quote, so around simple, not simple, but you know what I'm talking about, self-love. So one of his keys are choose real friendships, simplify your circle of friends. I think so often we have a large group of acquaintances, but you know, who are the people that are really going to be there? And his quote or his suggestion is, keep those who add value to your life. So that's definitely a good thing to be able to assess, and it's like, who really does add value? Okay, these beauties are about ready to pop. It's funny, a foot away from each other, completely different, like 3 foot away from each other, completely different bloom patterns. I don't know what that is. If you know anything about that, put that in the comments. All right, it is another sunny day up in the northwest, or at least here. We're heading to meet Marty and Jen, one of our favorite places, Three Peaks. And just right on the other side of those trees is where we do a horseback riding as well. So we'll stop here on Friday afternoons, evenings, sometime for a beer and a pizza or something. Always a good time.